Looking for premier products from a premier company? Lennox Heating and Air Conditioning carries some of the quietest, most efficient furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps on the market today. Efficiency that can save you money on your utility bills, and you won't even hear it. As a Lennox Premier dealer, Kobe Complete has undergone rigorous training and testing to install and service this state-of-the-art equipment.
Get the proven Premier difference with Kobe Complete Heating and Cooling.
Lennox, innovation never felt so good.